Hey, what's up, guys? How y'all doing? New video, and we're going to talk about 6 ways to increase your credit score. Number 1 is pay on time. Number 2 is review your reports, your credit report. Number 3 is manage your utilization. Number 4 is keep old accounts. Number 5 is keep a good mixture between installment and revolving accounts. And number 6 is don't apply for new accounts. So we're going to start and go down from 1 to 6. Number 1, pay on time. It's so important that you have a good history of paying on time for your, because it's 35% of your score is your payment history. So it's very important to pay on time. Know when your due date is. Some people forget when their due date is, and then they miss a payment. So know when your due date is. I would recommend paying off your credit card or something like that 2 or 3 days before your due date. But like I said before, it's very important to know when your due date is so you don't miss a payment. Like I said, it's 35% of your pay of your credit history. Number 2, and I tell a lot of people this: look at your annual credit report. Go to the bureaus and get your credit report. You never know what things might be on your credit report that you can remove. Might be your name misspelled. It might be old address you can remove. Might be something really simple you can remove. And then also might be some other things that inquiries and things like that you not know of that you can remove and instantly help your credit out. Number 3 is manage your utilization. It goes back to credit history. Pay it off. But let's say you have some credit cards, things like that. Don't pay everything off. Keep about 10% of your debt out there. Don't pay your credit card off, or just don't use your credit cards. The banks will look at that. The lenders will look at that. So make sure that you can pay your credit cards off down to 10%. I would recommend paying off all your credit cards. You have multiple credit cards, pay off all your credit cards except for one and keep that at 10%. All right, number 4 is keep old accounts. Everything counts on your credit history. Everything counts. So your length of history matters. So just remember that everything that you have done is going to count against it. So I would make sure that if it's an account that you might be a little worried on, I might need it, I would keep it just for a little bit. All your accounts matters, and closing your accounts, older accounts help your average age. So the older the account is, the more it's going to help your age, because one of the things is new, and we'll get to the new accounts, but newer accounts lowers your credit history. Your credit score. All right, number 5 is keep a mixture between revolving and installment. So revolving is your cards, installment is your loans. So if you are just like heavy with the credit cards, I would at least try to get a loan, maybe a small loan that you can pay back, but you want to have a couple of loans on your credit report so it's a mixture, so it's going to look good on it. Now, these things aren't as big as your credit history or credit utilization, but it's still very important to have that healthy mix between your credit cards and your loans. And then finally, number 6, like I said before, don't apply for new accounts unless you really have to. Because remember this: once you open a new account, it's not that it's going to lower your credit score, because you open something up is short term. The longer the account, the more it's going to help your history out, your credit score out. But the newer account is going to lower your credit score, but eventually it will be a positive. So just remember that anytime that you have a hard pull, something like that, against your credit, or open new accounts, it's going to lower your credit score. And you have to wait over the course of time that be a positive is going to increase it. So just remember that if you really want to increase your credit scores, remember the 6 things I talk about. If you have any questions, you want to get counseling, please let me know. And go to prosperityabundance.com and go to the consultant strategy call, and we'll set up one up. Take care.